The DJI Avata 360 Motion Fly More combo brings professional-grade, reframable aerial video to the FPV space. With its 8K imaging and intuitive motion controls, it promises unique perspectives that standard drones simply cannot reach. Check the link in the description for the best price. Here is how this drone performs in various creative and operational scenarios. Its ability to perform infinite rotations and unique camera moves provides unmatched creative potential for any FPV pilot. The high resolution allows for clean, sharp crops during reframing, giving you massive flexibility when editing your footage later. The intuitive motion controller makes it approachable for newer pilots, though the nature of FPV flight still requires some practice. Editing 360 footage is inherently more complex than standard video, which can slow down your turnaround time if you prefer. While it shines as a creative powerhouse, keep in mind that the post-production workflow requires more. Considering the premium features, here is how the value stacks up. You get a lot of technology here, from the high-quality imaging sensors to a very complete set of accessories in. DJI remains a leader in drone reliability, providing peace of mind with their established software and hardware ecosystem. When you compare this against other specialized 360 camera drones, the pricing is quite competitive for what you actually get. As a newer, specialized product, you should not expect heavy discounts, so it remains a significant financial commitment at launch. Despite the premium price tag, the combination of advanced sensors, and the complete Fly More bundle, these are the factors you should weigh before finalizing your purchase. The hardware is impressively robust, and the integrated propeller guards provide a vital extra layer of protection during flight. The video transmission system is very stable and provides a clear signal, which minimizes the risk of signal drops during. Having a care plan that covers accidental damage and liquid ingress right out of the box is a massive benefit. Always take a moment to confirm exactly what is in your specific Amazon bundle to avoid any unexpected issues with. The hardware safety is reliable, but potential buyers should double-check specific bundle contents to avoid any. If you are an FPV creator looking to push your aerial content, this drone is a fantastic investment. However, casual flyers might find the 360-degree post-production process more time-consuming than traditional filming. It is a specialized tool that performs its job exceptionally well.